Roger, mark.
And underway the first of three sections in the men's 800 final. Some of the top 800 runners in the Summit League in this field. Ceska of North Dakota. He is your Summit League leader. Comes in at 148.67. Mason Sindelar going with him. He currently sits second in the Summit League. With 200 meters to go, it's the number 1 and number 2 ranked runners in the Summit League. Great battle. Here we come off the turn. Ceska of North Dakota, Sindelar of South Dakota. .148.6 for Sindelar. That moves him from second to first in the Summit League.